Welcome back to For Real, the place where tech meets simplicity. I'm Anna, and today we're diving into a common conundrum: what to do when your MacBook keyboard decides to take a day off. We'll make sure you're back to typing in no time. So, you're sitting there with your MacBook, ready to type away, and nothing. No response, just silence, or maybe just a beep of defiance. Whether it's the whole keyboard or just a few rebellious keys, it's frustrating, right? Let's get to the bottom of this. Before we dive deep, let's try a quick fix. If you've got an external keyboard lying around, plug it in. If it works, we can narrow down the issue to the MacBook's built-in keyboard. No luck? Let's move on. First things first, make sure your Mac is running the latest Mac OS version. Updates often squash pesky bugs. Just head over to System Preferences, then Software Update, and see if there's anything new to install. Slow keys could be making your keyboard seem unresponsive. Let's check it out. Go to the Apple menu, click System Preferences, then Accessibility. Find Keyboard under Hardware and make sure Slow Keys is off. Also, check Mouse Keys under Pointer Control and turn it off too. Sometimes a new app can throw a wrench in the works. Think back to when the problem started. Installed anything new? Head to Finder, Applications, and see if there's anything you can uninstall. Remember to empty the trash. Next, we'll try removing some .plist files. Open Finder and hit Command+Shift+G. Type in ~library preferences and hit Go. Look for files like com.apple.driver.applebluetooth multitouch.trackpad.plist and delete them. Don't worry, your Mac will recreate them. Hey there! If you're finding this helpful, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to For Real and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on simple tech solutions. Drop a comment if you have questions or other tech mysteries for us to solve. Let's try booting into safe mode. For Intel Macs, restart and hold the Shift key when booting. For Apple Silicon Macs, restart, hold the power button, then press Shift when startup options appear. Safe mode can help isolate the issue. Sometimes a fresh start is all you need. Create a new admin account. Go to System Preferences, Users and Groups. Click the lock to make changes, then hit the plus sign to add a new admin account. Log in to see if the keyboard works now. Still stuck? Time to reset NVRAM and SMC. For NVRAM, shut down and restart holding Option, Command, P, and R until the second startup sound. For SMC, shut down, hold Shift, Control, Option, and the power button for a few seconds, then restart. If none of these steps worked, it might be time for a professional touch. Visit an authorized Apple repair center to get your keyboard checked out. And that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for tuning into For Real. We hope your keyboard woes are behind you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone else facing the same issue. Until next time, keep it real with For Real.